So as you guys can see, it works good. As you can see, this is with a sensor. It works great, especially even if you're wearing a hat. As you guys can see, I got a hat on. And now we swipe, it turns it on. We swipe, it turns it off. And you can do that for each mode. Let's see. Okay, that wasn't on off. So you can do that for each different mode. So as you can see, select each mode. Yeah, this is nice. I love this. Super bright. I do want to go over one thing that I'm actually really impressed with it. Hello, my friends, and welcome back. Today we are reviewing Xflyee. I love saying their name. So this is an LED headlamp. So let's see, a couple little brackets in here. We got a Type-C charging cable, so we know this is an upgraded headlamp. There is a manual inside there. A nice, it's actually pretty hard carrying case, which is nice. Protects your headlamp. This is it. So this is the headlamp. Oh, check out that big light on top. So this is an LED light strip, and then you got this light. You can see on the back here, it's got room for breathing. It is fully rotatable, so you could shoot straight up or almost straight down. So that is a plus, especially if you're, hiking or cave climbing. If we take a look on the back here, you got your charging port right in here. You got your indicator battery life up here. Press that on and you can see it lights up blue for battery life. All right, so if you take your hand and swipe across, it turns everything on. And as you can see, it is super, super bright. I mean, super bright, and that's just the LED light. If we turn this off, as you can see, just swipe it. That's a lower brightness. If we turn that off, you can swipe and nothing happens. But you can manually turn it on, and then if you swipe, nothing will happen if you turn off the sensor. So you got mode number 1, that's the LED bar. Mode number 2, LED bar and it's light. Mode number 3, flashing. Mode number 4, now this is the circle light that we showed you that you can adjust. And as you can see, that is like a full-blown flashlight. Let's see if we press it again. Okay, it's dimmer for the circle light. Press it again, it flashes. Press it again, it's off. So overall, this is really nice. This is extremely important. I hope you're listening and paying attention. So in the past, I have reviewed headlamps, and there's always, for certain models, there's been a high-pitched sound that comes from the battery when the light is on. And that has been so frustrating and so annoying because it actually starts giving you a headache after 5-10 minutes. There is no high-pitched sound. There is no sound whatsoever when the light is on. So I need to stress that this is designed really well. This is probably, and I'm being honest, this is probably the best headlamp that I've reviewed so far. And I've probably reviewed about, I don't know, 9-10 different ones over the course of the couple years. This one is definitely my most favorite. Number 1, right through here is a metal band, so it doesn't flex and move all around. Number 2, you can rotate this really well. Number 3, the LED is extremely bright. Number 4, this is like a flashlight, a miniature flashlight, which is really awesome. And I just noticed that it pulls in and out. Well, we definitely got to check that feature out. So let's go ahead and see here. So if you pull, oh, look at that. So you can make it wider or direct. So here, let me show you guys. You got direct or wider. That is awesome, my friends. That is really cool. So this is definitely getting high praise from me because it works phenomenal. So not only can you adjust this, but this also adjusts. It's soft and it doesn't hurt your head. There's no high-pitched sound coming from it. Overall, this is the best one. Number 1, the top headlamp that I've ever reviewed. And that's my personal, honest opinion.